Ever looked at your Housecall Pro customer list and thought, this is more chaotic than a squirrel's nest? Duplicate customers, inconsistent information. It's enough to make your head spin. Well, fret no more, because today, we're diving deep into the magical world of merging customers in Housecall Pro. Let's clean up that mess. Imagine this. You've got a customer, let's call him John Doe. He's appeared in your system 3 times, once as John Doe, another as JD, and the last as Jonathan Doe. Every time you need to find him, it's like searching for a needle in a haystack. Sound familiar? Well, that's where the merge function becomes your new best friend. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this is even important. Duplicate customers can lead to a world of problems. Incorrect billing, missed appointments, and a cluttered system are just a few of the headaches you can avoid by keeping your customer data clean. Plus, it saves you time in the long run. Who wants to spend hours chasing down information? Alright, let's get down to business. First things first, you need to identify those pesky duplicates. Housecall Pro actually has a handy tool to help you with this, but we'll go over that later. For now, let's assume you've got a list of customers you want to merge. To start the merge process, head over to your customer list. Select the customers you want to combine. Housecall Pro will then give you a few options. You can choose which customer's information will be the primary source, and then decide what to do with the rest. Do you want to keep their job history, or just their contact information? It's all up to you. But wait, there's more. What about customer notes, custom fields, and other important data? Fear not, Housecall Pro has got you covered. You can selectively choose which information to carry over from each customer. This is where things can get a bit tricky, so pay close attention. Once you've made your selections, hit that merge button. And voila, your customers are now one. But remember, this action is final, so double-check everything before you commit. Now, let's talk about that handy duplicate finder tool we mentioned earlier. It's a game changer, trust me. Housecall Pro can automatically identify potential duplicates based on similar names and addresses. It's like having a personal assistant for your customer list. But remember, the tool isn't perfect. It's a great starting point, but you'll still need to do some manual checks to ensure you're merging the right customers. Alright, we've covered the basics of merging customers. But what about some common pitfalls and how to avoid them? Well, first off, always back up your data before making any major changes. You never know when you might need to undo something. Secondly, take your time. Rushing through the process can lead to mistakes. And lastly, test things out. Merge a couple of test customers to see how it works before tackling your entire customer list. So there you have it, folks. Merging customers might seem daunting at first, but with a little patience and the right steps, you can transform your customer list from chaos to clarity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy merging.